cute little turtle. First, draw the head. Green. Excellent! Now draw a little mouth so your turtle can smile. Good job! Now draw a funny bit of hair. Your drawing is turning out great! Draw a shell for your turtle to hide in. Brown. Now draw a thick line around the edge of the shell to make it stronger. Good! Now draw different colored spots on the shell. Pink. Violet. Blue. Red. What a great shell! Now draw little legs so your turtle can walk around. Green. What a wonderful turtle you've drawn! Look, your turtle can play hide and seek!